Hey everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. Before we get into the video, I made a free masterclass guide. This shows you in 9 steps how to have a successful dance journey. Comment the word masterclass down below and I'll send that to you. In this video, I'm going to share with you some steps that have variations to them. So if you're someone who's a little scared to go on the dance floor, this video is perfect for you. So the way this video will go is I'll teach the step without music, then we'll try it with music, and then at the very end, we'll put them together in a very short pattern. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the first move, which is just a head nod. And I'm gonna share with you 3 variations that we're gonna do. We're gonna do the head nod going up, head nod going back, and then head nod going side to side. Don't worry, we're definitely gonna break it down. I know it kind of looks weird just front, but I'll do side profile explanation so you can understand a little bit more of what we're doing. All right, so let's start with the head nod going up first, and I'll show you for 1 full 8 count and we'll just break it down. So we're doing head nod up, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm bringing my chin up and then bringing the back of my head to my back. So I'm thinking pulling it back to my head and then bringing my chin up. So showing you a side profile, I'm doing a head nod going up. So I'm going up, 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 up. And I notice I always have a reset bringing my chin down. So I'm going chin up, down, up, down, up, down. It's going up, 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 up. All right? So let me show you one more time facing the front. This is a variation of a head nod going up. So the next one we're gonna do is a head nod going back. So you wanna think that you're sliding or bringing your head back or chin towards the neck. This one, to be honest, feels a little bit more uncomfortable to me, feels more comfortable to others, so it is a somewhat common head nod variation where you're going directly back. So I'll share with you 1 8 count facing front and then I'll turn my profile to the side. So 5, 6, head nod back, you're going back, 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 back. All right, so now facing the side, I notice how my chin doesn't move up and down, it actually goes towards my neck. So I'm thinking bringing my head forward and back instead of up and down. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going back, 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 back. See, I feel like it kind of feels a little like, bleh, but that is a variation, okay? The last variation I'm gonna share with you is a head nod going up and down variation, but now we're bringing our head side to side. So we're alternating 2 to the side, 2 to the side, and it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's very similar to the head nod going up, except this time we're actually shifting a bit of our head and direction to the side. So we're not necessarily doing this, although you can, but we're just kind of keeping it forward for now, okay? So let's go 2 to the side 4 times. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 on each side. 5, 6, head nod going up, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it 1 time, facing the side. 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is like true wallflower energy where you just want to chill, you don't want to be bothered, but you still want to have a little bit of expression going on because you enjoy the music and love what you're hearing. All right, Let's try it with music, and let's do it in the order that we learned. So we're gonna do 1 8 count with the head nod going up, reset, head nod going straight back, reset, head nod going side to side. All right, here we go. All right, the next one is just crossing your arms, cross open. Nothing is happening with our legs. Your arms just cross and open. And it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I actually like this one a lot because I'm like, ooh, when I'm feeling something, but I'm just standing in my spot, I just cross open that joint, you know what I'm saying? So just to break this down, again, nothing's happening with my feet. I'm cross and opening my arms. It doesn't matter which arm is in the front, if the right or the left is in the front. I keep my arms in a light fist and I just cross and open. So let's try this together for 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. We're going cross, open, 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 cross, open. So if you feel like you just want to do a little knee shifting side to side, or even the head nod when you cross open, that'll add a little more flavor to it. But again, if you're still like, you know, I want to be on level 1, I'm here for now, that's cool too. So this is just our arms going cross and open. Let's try that with music, and let's do 2 8 counts of that. Here we go. All right, so the last variation we're gonna do is two-step variations. And the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna step forward and then step back in a diagonal. So the first variation I'm gonna show you looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going step forward. So that's the first variation where, again, just chill, don't wanna bother, but you're still in the mix. Step forward, okay? So the way I start this, I'm starting with my left foot under myself, and then I step forward with the right foot, okay? So starting under and then step forward, back under myself, and then step forward, okay? So that's the 2-step variation where we step forward. Starting with the left foot, stepping under ourselves, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try this one more time, and let's go face the side so you can see what's happening with my heels. Starting with my left foot stepping under, right foot stepping forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Ooh, you can even bonus and do the cross open. You can even do cross open. Oh, okay, double dipping, you know? So let's try that with music, just doing the 2-step variation, stepping forward. All right, this variation with music. Okay, so the second two-step variation we're gonna do is now stepping in the diagonal going back. And we're gonna start the same way as we did with the first two-step, where we step under ourselves. So this is what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me just show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So what's happening? Same thing. I step with my left, and then I step in a diagonal going back. So I don't have to do too much effort in terms of really going and crossing behind that foot. It's just wherever your leg steps in the diagonal and where it ends, that's what it is. Then we step under ourselves and then diagonal back. So reset, diagonal, reset, diagonal, reset, diagonal, reset, diagonal. And with past demonstrations, let's do it on the side, starting with my left foot, stepping under, and then going into diagonal back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So same thing, I don't bring any heels off the floor. I keep it really simple and really grounded where my heels stay connected, okay? All right, so let's now try it, but with music this time. Here we go. Awesome. All right, hope you're having fun and you're getting these moves down in your body. Before we move on to put them together in a sequence, I have a free program that I want to share with you, and it goes a little more in depth than the video that you're watching today. And the link to get that is in the description box below. All right, let's do it with music. So here's the fun part. Let's connect all the steps that we've learned into a little mini pattern. We're going to start with the head nod variations, going up, back, side. Okay, then we're gonna go followed with the cross open, and then we're gonna do the two-step variations to the front, and then the two-step variations to the back. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do it 2 times with a little reset in between. Alright, so there you go. You have some steps in your pocket. So if you're still feeling a little shy, you can find the moves that you learned here to get yourself on the dance floor. If you made it this far in the video, you're probably a little more serious to level up in your hip hop dance. So if you're ready to build the confidence that you truly want and want to work with me directly, click the link below for a free consultation call. Love you. See you next Tuesday.